My name is Dr. Dilip Pandit Kotkar. This video is very useful for students at the time of examination. Now we will start the video of multiple choice questions. Okay, first CV stands for A is circulum vitae, B is specific vitae, C is general vitae, and D is none of the above. In this question, the four options are available. So correct answer is circulum vitae. Question number 32. Body language. Example is dash dash. In these questions, four options is available. A is attitude, B is fear, C is movement of arms, and D is eye contact. So, in these questions, the option A is correct answer, attitude. Question number 33. Promotion interview. Example is dash dash. In these questions, the four options are available. So, A is nature of duties, B past targets and objectives, C expectations, D improving the performance. The correct answer of this question is option A, nature of duties. So next question number 34, communication skill means A, ability to practice active listening skill and response, B, ability to understand people and their skills, C, ability to understand and play the role of leader, D, ability to make other comfortable. So communication skill means correct answer is A, ability to practice and active the listening skill and response. Question number 35, time management skill means the four options are available in this question. A is ability to manage, B is ability to understand the economic crisis, C is ability to read a project, and D ability to accept new challenges. So time management skill means option A is correct, ability to manage time. Question number 36, professional ethics, moral and skill means. In these questions, I am giving to you four options. A is ability to analysis and make problem solving decision related to ethics. B, ability to present clearly and confidently to the audience. C, ability to understand people and their skills. D, ability to set priorities. So in these questions, the options A is correct, ability to analysis and make problem solving decisions related to ethics. Question number 37, leadership skill means. In these questions, four options are available. A is ability to have knowledge of the basic theories of leadership. B, ability to present clearly and confidently to the audience. C, ability to find ideas and look for alternative. D, ability to make other comfortable. So correct answer in this question is option A, ability to have knowledge of the basic theories of leadership. Okay, now next question is what are the details of enclosure mentioned? In this question, the four options are available. A is beginning of the letter, B is below the signature of the columns, and C the right hand side of the letter, D main body of the letter. So in this question, the B option is correct answer, below the signature of the column. Question number 39, informal communication is otherwise communication. So in this question, the four options are available. First is grapevine, B is lateral, C is visual, and T is horizontal. So in this question, the option A, grapevine, is a correct answer. Question number 40, communication is a dash dash. So in this question, the four options are available. First, A is one-way process, B is two-way process, C is three-way process, and D is four-way process. So correct answer A is two-way process. Communication is a two-way process. Option B is correct. Question number 41, non-verbal communication is mostly. So in this question, four options are available. First, A is mechanical, B is organic, C is unstructured, D is structure. The correct answer of these questions is C option and structure. Question number 42, which of the following is one of the communication based on number of parties involved? A is personal communication, B is formal communication, D is horizontal communication, and D is informal communication. So correct answer of this question is horizontal communication. Okay. Now question number 43, which the following is not an example of non-verbal communication? A is letter writing, B is physical expression, C is pace of speaking, D is silence. So in this question, the correct answer is A option, letter writing. Letter writing is not an example of non-verbal communication. Next, question number 44, which of the following signify non-verbal communication is an essential way? The four options are available in this question. A, the dress code followed by an individual. B, instructions written on a question paper. C, learners attending an online class. D, yoga instructor teaching yoga posed to the pupils. So correct answer is A, the dress code followed by an individual. So next question is, where should be the name of the firm be mentioned? A is right of the page, B is below the address of the writer, C is above the address of the writer, and D is on the last page of the letter. So in this question, the correct option is B, below the address of the writer. Question number 46, which is written of the top of a business letter on the left side? A is sender address, B is receiver address, C is a date, and D is salutation. So in this question, the correct answer is sender address. Question number 47, which of these is the right format of writing the date in all format or business letter? So four options are available. In these four options, A is 23/3/21, B is 23rd March 2021, C is March 23, 2021, D is both B and C. So correct answer is option B, 23rd March 2021. Okay, now we see question number 48. The subject of business letter should be. The four options are available. In these four options, A is as long as possible, B brief, clear and relevant, C stretched and irrelevant. So correct answer is brief, clear and relevant. Option B is correct. Question number 49. A dash dash is the mostly commonly used tool of communication among professions staying in different parts of the world. A is fax machine, B is telephone, C is pager, D is Twitter. So in these questions, the correct answer is telephone, because telephone is the most commonly used tool of communication among the professional staying in different parts in the world. Okay. Question number next 50, which is this is base of effective listening. The four options are available. A is note taking, B is notice writing, C is letter writing, D is predicting. So in this question, note taking is a base of effective listening. So answer A is correct, note taking. Question number 51, which of these is not a type of text for reading? The four options are available. In these four options, A is reference material, B is charts, C is scientific text, D is technical text. So, in this question, the correct answer is reference material. Next question, interpersonal skill means. In these questions, I am also giving to you four options are available. A is ability to understand people and their skill. B, ability to present clearly and confidently to the audience. C, ability to find ideas and look for alternatives. D, ability to lead a project. So, it is my opinion, interpersonal skill means option A is correct. Ability to understand people and their skill. Okay, now we see the question number 53. Positive attitude skill means. In these questions, four options are available. A is ability to see brighter side of everything. B, ability to manage time. C, ability to supervise member of a group. D, ability to use time fruitfully. So in this question, A option is correct. Ability to see brighter side of everything. Okay, next question. Creativity, critical thinking and problem solving skill means. So in these questions, four options are available. A option is ability to find ideas and look for alternative solutions. B, ability to understand and play the role of leader and follow alternatively. C, ability to use non-verbal skill. D, ability to seek solution. So in this question, creativity, critical thinking and problem solving skill means ability to find ideas and look for alternative solution. A option is correct. Question number 55, teamwork skill means. In this question, four options are available. Option A is ability to understand and play the role of a leader and follow alternatively. B, ability to analyze and make a problem solving decision related to ethics. C, ability to supervise member of a group. D, ability to take on extra responsibilities. So correct answer in these questions is option A, ability to understand and play the role of a leader and follow alternatively. And last question, resume is a dash dash word. In these questions, the four options are available. A is French, B is Latin, C is American and D is Japan. So in this question, the correct answer is A, French. So in the last moment, please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to put our valuable comments.